There we go. Right, let's drink to the Hun scalping today. What? Alright, get it, dude. I'll put some vodka on that for you, darling. Not. Keep going. What? That's it. Oh, you're going to get pissed tonight if it was vodka. Oh, you're funny. So you are, Daisy. You keep me going. Do you know that you're named after one of my grandchildren? Eh? There you go. There I go. Oh my God, you're so thirsty. You got a hangover? Eh? Was you on the sauce last night? Right, sweetheart, I'm not going to make fun of you anymore because that's not nice. You're the thirsty girl, okay?